Research surveys are great for learning about a certain topic in a specific group. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to create a research survey that will get you great results. First, you will need a survey maker tool like Forms app. Open the Templates library and find a suitable template for your research. After finding and opening a template, you can start adding your own questions or changing the existing ones. Forms app offers a great variety of form fields, so you can ask the right questions in the right way. After adding questions, you can start changing your form design. It is important to have an appealing design these days to keep your audience engaged at all times. Forms app offers many customization options and ready-to-use themes to help you create the survey you imagine. You can set a publishing date for your survey to go live, add a welcome or thank you page, or disable multiple submissions by visiting the settings. Lastly, you can share your form or embed it on a specific web page to start your research and collect data. Click the link in the description to see free templates for your research survey. Watch our other tutorials to learn more about creating professional-looking forms, surveys, and quizzes in minutes.